Guys, welcome to our Resident Info channel. Today I have SONY Xperia 10 Mark 6 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your game are not visible on your Google Play Store. Fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo in the right corner and there are settings. Now we choose family and parental controls. In it, we have page 3 right now, 2, visible game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter look screen, and now look screen our connect pin to parental control, and we can easily change it by tap to the page 16, config by understood, and save. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is visible right now and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!